Before we start, let's get our expectations straight. These are what I'm going to do. I will stay on free online Mathematica as long as I can. The reason I don't promise I will stay free all the way is because I don't know how far I can push this. I'm used to doing a desktop Mathematica. This is the first time I'm using the online one for advanced stuff, so I'm going to push it as far as I can. Second, I'm going to start on a blank page. That is, I will start on something like this with nothing on it, and I will start building so that you can follow step by step. Now, that leads us to the part that you have to do. You cannot just watch this. You will not learn a thing and you will forget everything promptly. You need to follow step by step. As I'm typing, I will type in real time. I will not show you the fast forward. I will not show you the pre-written code. I will type one by one because Mathematica requires very few lines for you to accomplish something. So we can afford to spend time typing, and that's the only way to learn. So you must type as I type in real time. Just watching will be a waste of time for you. Second, I don't require you to know Mathematica. I will explain in real time as I'm typing them. You need to pay attention, of course, and try to learn, because I will not explain the same thing multiple times. That would be a waste of time. And also, I require you to know at least one computer language. Excel formula is also a computer language. That is fine. Mainly because you need to know that the parentheses got to be matched, brackets need to be matched, and for those things here. And you need to know what variables are. If you know those, then you are qualified. Now, this is about machine learning, so I'm going to show you how machine learning is done from the start, so you need not know any of it. That's all. Let's get started.